So hi, so it's Ken again, and welcome back to my garden. It's another beautiful day here in Kirkby and Ashford. What? This is my training centre. Watch it.
Yada yada yada.
Come with the big one with me. Yep. Come. Stay down.
I don't want any trouble.
I know you don't want any trouble. Sling your hook. Sling your hook. Go on.
Okay. I don't want any
Go
trouble.
on.
I don't want any trouble. I'll go.
So hi, so as I was saying, it's Ken again. Don't mind my brother there, he's don't mind my he's thing. So, today we're going to do another one of the animal frolics. Yeah, we're going to do another one of the animal frolics. We're going to do another variant on the tiger. This is an older version of the tiger than I did in the last tiger video I did. Said to be, thousands of years old, this one. Said to have been depicted on scrolls that were seen on cave walls or cave paintings. We're going to do the tiger. So this one we're already going to be using we're going to be using these claws. The claws of the tiger, we're going to be already gripping. We're going to be like kneading, or just all down at once, not from side to side, but like a cat or like a pantera or a tiger would do. Okay, we're going to be leaning down. We're going to really be working the spine and the upper back. We're going to be stretching up as well. Make sure when you're stretching up, the ribs don't flare out, the lower back doesn't curve in, and stretching up, and like you're going to be reaching up like a tiger, like sharpening its claws on a tree or something really high up there. Okay, so go through our Tai Chi principles. Let's get to it. Let's go through our Tai Chi principles. So head as if suspended from above. Imagine you have that golden thread or the long ponytail on the top of the head that's tied up to the heavens. Pelvic area tilted forwards, hanging down from that suspension from above. Sink the chest to round the upper back, sink the ribs to fill the lower back, breathing in through the nose. If you can, tongue the roof of the mouth, breathing into the lower abdomen. We're going to be working those two triangles along the soles of the feet. The two triangles, so we're going to really get that pump. You can grip you're going to grip them with the fingers here, or our claws, and we're going to be gripping with the toes as well. When you grip them with the toes, try to keep more weight towards the heels. Okay, so first move, we're going to push down. You can look down ever so slightly here. You don't have to in the first instance here. Going down, gripping with the fingers and the toes, coming up. Feel a wave going up the spine. Feel the spine lengthening, stretching up. Make sure the ribs don't flare out, the lower back doesn't curve in. Going up and then stretch a little bit further. Grip and pull down, like you're pulling the sky down. Pushing into the ground. And push the hands down, lengthen the spine. Make sure you're not locking out the knees, but lengthen the legs and look down as well. So you're really stretching the upper back and the neck, the cervical region of the spine, the tendons around there, then relax. Okay, so clawing down. Feel this wave going up the spine, going up, stretching up, make sure the ribs don't flare out, the lower back doesn't curve in, stretching up, reaching up, you can look up here, stretching up a little bit further, clawing, pulling down, like pulling the sky down, pulling down, push down through the heels, push down with the hands, look down, so really stretching the upper back, all the tendons, the sinew, the myofascia, and then just feel it contracting back. Okay, gripping down, pump, grip, coming up, feel this wave going up the spine, feel the spine lengthening. Make sure the ribs don't flare out, the lower back doesn't curve in, stretching up, reaching up a little bit further, clawing, pulling the sky down. And pushing down, push down through the heels, push down with the hands, lengthen the neck, the upper back, feel those muscles there, tendons, and then relax. Okay, so that's part one. So the next part, it's like that one. It's done in, this next stage is done in two parts. Okay, so again we're going to claw down. This time the hands are going to come behind you ever so slightly, going up. Feel that wave going up the spine, going forwards here, from the hips, not the lower back, from the hips. Straighten the legs, be careful if you don't have any problems with the knees here. Reach, sit down into the heels, sit down as if sitting down onto a stool here, pull up. Again, feel that wave going up the spine. Step forwards, touch the heel down, then reach forwards. Again, stretching, moving from the hips, not the lower back. Reaching forwards, feel that stretch up the hamstring and the back of the outstretched leg, then pulling in. Pull the leg in. Feel this wave going up and going out. Clawing, sit down, pulling in, feel this wave, this undulation. Step forwards, and reach out. Again, straighten that front leg, feel the stretch up the hamstring. Protect the lower back, sink the ribs, fill the back. Stretch forwards, reach forwards, pulling in, and draw the leg in. This wave, breathing in, and breathing out. Be careful if you have problems with the lower back or the knees here. Sit down to the heels, coming up, breathing in, step, and going out. Stretching forwards, reaching forwards like a tiger, clawing, and really stretching its back. You've seen cats when they stretch themselves, or when they stretch their back when they get up from resting. This is what you're doing here, stretching. Stretching all the tendons, the connective tissue. Sit down, coming up, step, reach, reach, pulling in, drawing in, coming up, going out, sit down, coming in, coming up, step forward to the other foot, reach, 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 pulling in, coming up, feel this wave, the spine lengthening, reaching forwards, straighten the legs, sit down to the heels, pull back, coming up, step, reach, 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 pull in, drawing in, coming up, out, stretch, sit down, coming up, step, reach, move from the hips, reach, drawing in. I'm gonna do one more of these, breathing in and breathing out. Sitting down, drawing in. And it is quite powerful, that one. So we'll finish with something that's more yin. Breathing in and breathing out. The immortal strokes his beard. Breathing in and breathe in. If you're ready to get your energies up doing that one, do this until you feel more grounded. Breathing in. Breathe in. Okay, so that's the Tiger Frolic. So I'm going to finish there. So give it a practice. Start off nice and gentle. It's quite demanding. You are going to some, I don't want to say extremes, but you're going out, you're using more power than you would in, say, Tai Chi or in some the more Taoist Qigong. So be gentle with yourselves, and I will finish there. So give it a go, and I will see you in the next film. So bye.